Hey, welcome back to the channel, good friends. My name is Brian. Today we're going to take a look at some detailing products new to the channel. Not a whole lot of information on them on social media either, so I'll shed some light on them today. Now these were sent by the company itself. How it works on my channel. I give my son a list of products or tools that are new or I think you would be interested in seeing. And then also companies around the world send me products as well. So they all come in together, they all get mixed together, they're all put in the same closet, and I just grab one depending on the day and I show it to you. When I do know it's a product that I purchased myself or has been sent, I will pass that on to you to keep the channel transparent for those that want to know that. If you have distrust on products I review that were sent to me, then you're on the wrong channel. But I still want to let you know where these products come from. These were sent. The turtle wax videos that I just did not too long ago with the pure beads, I purchased that one and ordered myself. There are a lot of detailing products out there these days, and I believe the market is oversaturated. Let me know down in the comment section if you agree or disagree with that. A lot of choices. Now, that is a great thing, but sometimes it's overwhelming. So when it's oversaturated, companies have to stand out or find their own niche or have their own creed. And Goclean, which is the company that sent their products out of Canada, their niche is leaving less of a chemical footprint on the planet here, taking care of this rock we all live on. And I respect that. I know the planet goes through ebbs and flows on its own, but yes, we do add to that to some extent. These products here, they claim are safe for not only the environment, but those working with the products. To keep the transparency going, always find that products like that are just a little bit less aggressive and aren't quite as effective as some of the products out there. And maybe that's the end result of achieving the goal of leaving less of a chemical footprint. However, we're going to give these a go today. We're going to test them. I'll show you the ones that are here today with me. They have a whole line for the inside and the outside of your automobile to detail and take care of them, clean and protect. So let's get the video going and take a closer look. Goclean has sent 4 products for us to take a look at on the channel. The first one here is a waterless car wash. Now this does have protection in it, so this has a bit of a wax. We'll see if this gets diluted or if it's sent RTU or ready to use. Interior cleaner and detailer. Heavy duty spot cleaner, breaks down tough buildup, and a leather cleaner and detailer. And all of these will work on this vehicle that I'm trying to clean up here today. Let's start off with the waterless car wash. Washes, cleans, and waxes and protects without breaking out your bucket. Now, there is controversies as to whether this method scratches your car or not. That's for a different video, and there are many out there that will demonstrate whether it does or does not. Today, we're just going to concentrate on the product itself. And here is their philosophy. Again, everybody has their own niche, their creed, their philosophy. Preserve the integrity of your car with natural ingredients, leaving less of a chemical footprint, no forever chemicals, and there are some out there that I even try to avoid myself. Designed for the superior cleaning and preservation and protection to help your car stand the test of time. So that is the philosophy of Goclean. Very good. So this is a waterless wash with polymers and protection. The polymers will help lift and emulsify and get the dirt ready to be lifted from the surface. You're going to need 2 microfiber towels with this product here. And I'll show you the best way to go about doing this. And you're going to do 1 panel at a time. If you get to a hood or a roof or a trunk, do half of it. and that makes it more manageable for you. You want to do it out of direct sunlight, in the shade, cooler temperatures, always going to be the best idea. So we'll get it to the spray here. Pick up our first towel. And what I'm going to do is a sort of a lifting method here. So with waterless washes, rinseless washes, I don't want to take the sponge or the towel and just push the dirt around the panel and dig the dirt into the paint. We want to do a little bit of a twisting or a lifting method to, for the most part, lift the dirt away from the vehicle. So take your towel, and as you're moving forward, do a twisting motion. And instead of plowing the dirt forward, picking up more dirt and pushing it into your paint, it lifts it away. And since you have your towel folded into fours, there's plenty of surface area for you to keep flipping the towel and getting this done. And what I'll do then, guys, is I'll come in with my second microfiber then, and I'll buff to perfection, make sure there's no streaking left behind from the wax. I'm not sure what it is, if it's a T1 Carnauba or if it's a Montana wax. I'm not sure what they added for protection, but I can feel the slickness. It looks really clean. The paint looks fantastic, and I'm happy with that in the paint. I'll bring you in and show you what it looks like. Nice and clean, the paint, letting that metallic flake really shine through. And again, what we'll do is spray the surface, come in with the first towel and do your rolling motion. Keep flipping. Pick up the speed a little bit, and then come in with your second towel and finish it up. And you see there's no streaking or hazing from whatever's left behind whatsoever. Go ahead and use this to clean all the hard surfaces of your vehicle. Car, truck, motorcycle, boat, RV, trim, plastic trim, chrome, polished aluminum, plastic headlights, textured plastic, black piano finish plastic, everything. Glass. Wheels. Door jambs. And even the hard materials on the interior. Like this thing has carbon fiber. It has black piano finish. You can use it on your infotainment center screens, your instrument cluster, plastic covers, any hard surface. It'll work perfectly fine. On the pillar here has been a dropping, I don't know, a bird or whatever it is that's been sitting there for a little while. And it's been sitting there long enough it might have etched into the paint. Let's see if we can gently wipe that away. So as you can see, I lifted that away the best I can first, just in case it was bird droppings with berries and anything else you can think of. And we got that off of there. I could see a little bit of an outline that would need to be polished, but we got it off in time before it would do some crazy etching. Now, I would really like to get these seats cleaned here. You could see Lots of body oil. It's really shiny from the body oil and dirt. We have a perforated center section here. We have some dirt up here. Let's work on this area right here and see what we can do. Okay, we're going to work on this little section here with the Goclean leather cleaner and detailer. Spray it on, agitate, and wipe it off. Simple as that. We'll team it up with a Scrub Ninja. I'm not going to spray directly onto the surface. I will pick a side here, spray into the Ninja. Dab it in there a little bit. Gives me some time to grab an old microfiber towel. And then we're going to come in circular motions here. Being as careful as we can, because we are getting transfer here. Go a little bit at a time, make sure we're not picking up all of the dye from the leather. We just want to clean as gently as we can. Wipe away any of that grimy residue. In here, just be careful with the wrinkles and the folds from getting in and out, and just from age, the leather will fold up a little bit. And it is all coming out without completely removing that dye. So let me remove this piece of tape here. And show you the difference that we made in very little time. Look at that. Like a brand new piece of leather. Gentle, yet effective enough to give you that type of result. Body oils and grime and dirt now gone. Smooth, clean leather. All right, now let's take a look at the heavy-duty spot cleaner, and you can use this in many, many ways. This comes ready to use. You don't need to dilute it. And you could use it in engine compartments to dissolve and break down grease. You could use it on wheels, brake dust. You can use it on interiors, spot cleaning on carpets or cloth seats, and whatever chore you have in and around the house. Not really heavily soiled in here, but there are some areas where it looks like it hasn't been cleaned in some time, and that's the perfect area to use the heavy-duty spot cleaner. So we'll spray the cleaner on the surface. We'll let it dwell just for a little bit. And what I did was I broke out an old brush here, an old detailing brush, and an old microfiber. What we'll do after it dwells a little bit is just agitate it. With the brush. And then in these areas, without breaking out the pressure washer and running it in an engine bay, you can kind of just rinse it away with the waterless wash. And then come in with a towel and dry the area. Wipe away any excess residue. And wow, that's more like it, guys. That's how I like it. Clean and like new. And then, of course, you can dress it or protect it any way you would like. Very effective without discoloring the surface. It's nice and clean. More importantly, not a whole lot of effort from myself to get it looking like this. Cuts down on time and overhead. And then finally, let's take a look at the interior cleaner and detailer. And there's a lot of different materials in here, from carbon fiber to plastic to leather to black piano finish. And you can clean all of the materials in here with this, but don't spray it onto the materials directly. Just go into a microfiber. Just pick one side to spray into. Do your cleaning. Flip it over and mop up. And it leaves a nice, clean, streak-free surface. It makes the interior of your car a nice place to be. One little spray or mist into the towel, and you can get your infotainment screens. And this vehicle has that really touchy GM Cadillac CUE interface. And it will not make the surface that it's inoperable, which, if you're familiar with the CUE screens in GM, or especially Cadillac, it's a matter of time before they are inoperable and you're either getting these rebuilt or replaced. But they look fantastic. This is in very good shape. It's not scratched, not a whole lot of wear and tear, and it's perfect for, a cleaner that's not overly aggressive but yet effective. Looking good. Okay, guys, so I got to tell you, with just the 4 products that were sent, I could take care of the inside and the outside of this Cadillac here from bumper to bumper. The strongest products available out on the market? No. But I want to tell you, everything that I wanted to achieve to restore and clean and protect the inside and the outside of this vehicle, I was able to do completely with no complaints. That's the best way I can put it. If you want to try them yourselves, I'll put a link down below where you can look into these further. And hey, don't hoard detailing products, fill your shelves like I do. When you're run out of a product and you want to try something new, you have my videos to come back and revert to. And down below will always be a link that you can look into them further. And maybe perhaps, if it's feasible for your budget, order them and give them a try. This has been Brian from the Apex Auction Car Reconditioning channel. Catch you in the next video.